KYMS, we are already solving maths and BARC previous year questions. So here we are with the LRDI PYQ solutions. I know LRDI may seem tough to you, but with my explanation and your practice, we'll together make it happen. So let's jump to our first question. The question says, 6 web surfers M, N, O, P, X and Y each had 30 stars, which they distributed among 4 bloggers A, B, C and D. The number of stars received by A and B from the 6 web surfers is shown in the figure below. So we are given a diagram and we have 6 web surfers M, N, O, P, X and Y. All the surfers have 30 stars each. So through the chart we can say that M gave 10 of its stars to A, N gave 25 of its stars to A, P gave 5 to A and 25 to B, and Y gave 5 to A and 20 to B. Now let's jump to the additional information given. The following additional facts are known regarding the number of stars received by the bloggers from the surfers. The number of stars received by bloggers from the surfers were all the multiples of 5 including 0. So we can say that the number of stars received may be 0, 5, 10, 15 or anything else, but it should be a multiple of 5. The total number of stars received by the bloggers were the same. Each blogger received a different number of stars from M. So if M gave 10 to A, it can't give 10 stars to other bloggers. 2 surfers gave all their stars to a single blogger. D received more stars than C from Y. So Y gave more stars to D and less to C. Okay, so let's start solving. From the second statement, we can say that if all the web surfers had 30 stars each, so the total number of stars should be 30 into 6 number of web surfers, that is 180. Total number of stars that we have is 180. Now the second statement says that the total number of stars received by the bloggers were the same. So if each blogger received the same number of stars, A, B, C, D, each received total equal number of stars, and if the total is 180, can we say that each received 45 stars? Okay. Now M gave 10 stars to A, N gave 25 stars to A, P gave 5 stars to A and Y gave 5 stars to A. So as I told you, everyone will have a total of 45. So here we can see that A already has a total of 45, 10 plus 25, 35 plus 5, 40 plus 5, 45. So A won't receive anything from O and X. Now we can see that P gave 25 to B and Y gave 20 to B. So P gave 25 to B and Y gave 20 to B. Okay. We can see that B also received 45 stars. So B won't receive anything from the other bloggers. Sorry, the other surfers. Now we can say that M is left with 20 stars. N is left with 5 stars. O is left with 30. O didn't distributed anything till now. P has nothing. X is also left with 30 and Y is left with 5 stars. We have seen a statement that D received more stars than C from Y. So Y gave more stars to D and stars can be given in the multiples of 5. So Y can give 0, 5, 10 stars to the bloggers, but we can see that Y has only 5 stars. So all the 5 stars should be given to D as D received more stars than C. So Y gave all its 5 stars to D. And now Y is not left with anything. Also, if M is left with 20 stars, so either M can give 5 to C or 15 to C or 5 to D or 15. Either C can get 5 or D can get 5 or C can get 15 or D can get 15. Now, if D gets 15 here and it's sure that D will receive 30 from either O or from X. If D gets 15 here, so 15 plus 5, 20 and 30 which would be received from either O or from X. So if we take 15 plus 5 plus 30, we will get a total which would be more than 45. So we will get a total of 50 which will be more than 45. So we can say that D will not receive 15 stars. So automatically D will receive 5 stars and C will receive 15 stars. Is that clear? Now O can give stars to C or to D and X can give stars to C or to D. We are not sure about this. Now let's see the questions. What was the total number of stars received by D? So we can say that the total number of stars received by D was 45 as every blogger received the same number of stars. What was the number of stars received by D from Y? Y had 5 stars and Y gave all its 5 stars to D. So we can say that D received 5 stars from Y. Let's see the other question. How many surfers distributed their stars among exactly 2 bloggers? So we can say that O and X had exactly 30 stars left, which 30 they distributed either to C or to D. We are not sure about it. So O and X is the answer here. Now, which of the following can be determined with certainty? The number of stars received by C from M. Yeah, we have seen this clearly. The number of stars received to C from A was 15. Okay, so we can say that. And the number of stars received by D from O. So we don't know O gave all its stars to whether C or to D. So this is not certain. So only statement 1 is certain. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the next question. The chart below provides complete information about the number of countries visited by Dheeraj, Samantha and Nitesh in Asia, Europe and rest of the world. So we are given a chart where we can see that Dheeraj, Samantha and Nitesh visited some of the countries from Asia, Europe and rest of the world. Now let's see the additional information. The following additional facts are known about the countries visited by them. First, 32 countries were visited by at least one of them. USA is the only country that was visited by all 3 of them. China is the only country that was visited by both Dheeraj and Nitesh but not by Samantha. So, from the given information, we can start solving. We'll make 3 Venn diagrams for Asia, Europe and rest of the world. So, Asia, Dheeraj, Samantha, Nitesh. Europe, Dheeraj, Samantha, Nitesh. And for the rest of the world, Dheeraj, Samantha and Nitesh. This is for rest of the world. Now, we are given that USA in rest of the world is the only country that was visited by all 3 of them. So, we can say that since USA was the only country that was visited by all 3 of them, this will become 1 and this will become 0 ultimately, as they only visited USA together. Now, China is the only country that was visited by both Dheeraj and Nitesh but not by Samantha. So, China in Asia was the only country that was visited by both Dheeraj and Nitesh. So, ultimately this will become 0 and this will become 0. Now, from the graph, we can see that Samantha did not visit any country in Asia. So this becomes 0. And Dheeraj visited 3 countries in Asia and Nitesh visited 1. So Dheeraj visited 3, Nitesh visited 1. Similarly, for Europe, Samantha visited 9, Dheeraj visited 7, and Nitesh visited 6. 9, 6, and 7. Now, for rest of the world, we can see that Nitesh visited 12, Samantha visited 4, and Dheeraj visited 1. So we can write 1, 4, and 12. Now, in Asia, if Samantha visited 0 countries, so ultimately this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, and this will become 2. Now, here, let's see the additional information given. France is the only country outside Asia which was visited by both Dheeraj and Samantha, but not by Nitesh. Okay, so we got one more information that Dheeraj and Samantha together visited France in Europe. Dheeraj and Samantha together visited France in Europe. So this will become 0 since they said that France is the only country that was visited by Dheeraj and Samantha without Nitesh. So this will become 0. Anything else? Okay. Now, half of the countries visited by both Samantha and Nitesh are in Europe. So, Samantha and Nitesh together visited 0 countries in Asia since Samantha did not visit any country in Asia. Now, if they visited half countries in Europe and half in the rest of the world together, so we can say that if they visited A countries in Europe, then they visited A countries in the rest of the world. So, if Nitesh and Samantha together visited A countries here, and this will give me A minus 1. Okay. So, now we can say that uh, Dheeraj only Dheeraj visited 6 countries in Europe. Samantha only visited 8 minus A, and Nitesh visited 6 minus A. Similarly, here Dheeraj visited 0 alone, and Samantha visited 4 minus A, and Nitesh visited 12 minus A. I hope that's clear. Now, okay. Now, from the first point, we can say that 32 countries were visited by at least one of them. So, if 32 countries were visited by at least one of them, so 2 plus 1, 3 from Asia, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, plus A minus A becomes 0, and this becomes minus 1. Now, minus A. Now, from here, we'll get 4 plus 12, 16, plus 1, 17, minus 1, 16, 16 minus A. Plus A minus A will get cancelled, and we will get minus A. So now we can say that 32 equals 3 plus 21, 24, 24 plus 16, 3 plus 20, 3 plus 21, 24, 24 plus 16, that will be 40, 40 minus A, that will be 40 minus 2A. That will be, now if we'll bring 2A is equals to 40 minus 32, that is 8, and A becomes 4. Now, when A becomes 4, we can say that this will become 6 minus 4, that is 2. This will become 8 minus 4, that is 4. So we will get, for Europe, we will get something like this: 6, 1, 0, 0, 4, 2, 4. I hope that's clear. Now, for rest of the world, we will get 0, 0, 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 12 minus 4, 8, and 4 minus 4, 0. So here we have completed all the values for Asia, Europe, and rest of the world. Now, let's move to the questions. Okay. How many countries in Asia were visited by at least one of Dheeraj, Samantha, and Nitesh? So, from the Venn diagram, we can say that 3 countries were visited by Dheeraj, Samantha, and Nitesh. 3 countries. How many countries in Europe were visited only by Nitesh? Let's move to the Venn diagram. In Europe, only by Nitesh. So, 2 countries were visited only by Nitesh. 2. How many countries in the rest of the world were visited by both Nitesh and Samantha? Rest of the world, Samantha, Nitesh, Dheeraj. So, 3 countries in rest of the world were visited by both Samantha and Nitesh. 3 countries. How many countries in Europe were visited by exactly one of Dheeraj, Samantha, and Nitesh? By exactly one of Samantha, Dheeraj, and Nitesh. So, Dheeraj visited 6, Samantha visited 4, and Nitesh visited 2. So, we will get 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12. So, so eventually 12 countries were visited by exactly one of Dheeraj, Samantha, and Nitesh. Okay, students. So I hope both the sets are clear to you. If you like my explanation, do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next solution.